guys, welcome to PROWEBTIPS YouTube channel. My name is Pony and today I am going to share you a wonderful website. If you want to install a Linux distro on your desktop, so before you install, check this site distrotest.net. Here you can see all Linux flavor and you can test out without installing them directly from your current operating system. Just you have to open the website distrotest.net, and suppose I am going to test the Ubuntu, the latest version. Here you can see 20.10. just click on start. Then you can see here you are on slot 2. The waiting time is less than 1 minute. It will take less than 1 minute. Okay, here you can see the automatically started the VNC. And now what need to do, here you can just try out, select the first one and hit enter. Okay guys, now you have two options, try Ubuntu and install Ubuntu. And for testing purpose I will recommend you to click on try Ubuntu. Now you can see the desktop is running on your remote tab. So thanks for watching, have a nice day.